Hi, Mr. Corsi here. Here we've got a function g and its formula, and we're asked to find the inverse function g to the minus 1. Now, remember what functions basically do. You put numbers in and numbers come out. Suppose, for instance, we start with number 10 and we put that into g. We have to find a fifth of 10 and then subtract 4. So we divide it by 5. Give us 2, and then we subtract 4. We'd end up with negative 2. So the function g takes us from 10 to negative 2, and the function g to the minus 1 will take us from negative 2 back to 10. It's the function that undoes g. So we have to reverse this whole process. So if we start at negative 2, we would, instead of subtracting 4, would add 4, which would get us back to the 2. And then instead of dividing by 5, we would multiply by 5. And that would get us back to 10. So we're looking for the function that adds 4 and then multiplies by 5. Well, let's have a look at that. We add 4. If we were doing it to the number x, we would add 4 and then multiply by 5. And there it is. Now, that might not be the way you've been taught. That's one way of doing it. The other way sometimes is that we replace g of x by y. And you're then to solve for x. So we get x on its own. Multiply both sides by 5. 5 times a fifth is 1x. And 5 times negative 4 is minus 20. Then we'll add 20 to both sides. And there we have x being 5y plus 20. And we're told at this stage to replace the y by x. Now, they look different, but there's a common factor of 5 which we can take outside of brackets, and we're left with exactly the same result. So either this little arrow diagram or changing the subject. So that's Mr. Corsi signing out, and thanks for watching this video.